You pay this bill every month, but could you say what that money actually does? I spent 12 years inside this industry. Give me 3 minutes and your policy will finally make sense, including the 3 little numbers that decide everything. The typical American driver now pays roughly $2,150 a year for full coverage, about $180 a month. That's real money. So let's follow it and see exactly what it buys. Rule number 1, you're not buying a product, you're buying into a pool. Everyone pays in every month. A few people crash and file claims and the pool pays them. The insurer's whole job is guessing how likely you are to be one of those few, so the riskier your slice looks, the more you pay. Which is why 2 neighbors with the exact same car can pay wildly different prices. The pool is placing a different bet on each of them. Rule 2, that single policy in your glove box is really 5 mini policies stapled together. Liability pays for the other guy, his car, his injuries. Collision fixes your car after a crash. Comprehensive covers everything else. Theft, hail, that deer. Uninsured motorist protects you when the other driver has nothing. And medical payments help cover you and your passengers, no matter whose fault it was. And Rule 3, the one that decides whether a crash costs you nothing or thousands. Those slash numbers on your policy are caps in thousands. 25, 50, 25, the bare state minimum, means roughly $25,000 per injured person, 50 per crash, 25 for property. 100, 300, 100 is real-world protection. And since the average new car now runs close to $50,000, one nice SUV can blow straight past a minimum policy. Picture Dave in Dallas. An illustrative case, but I watched versions of it constantly. State minimum policy, rear ends an SUV, $28,000 in damage. His property cap, $25,000. The last $3,000 was Dave's problem. Insured for years, and he still wrote a check. Here's how to set yours up right. Raising your liability limits often costs roughly $8 a month and buys 6-figure protection. Matching your deductible to your actual savings is free. It just means no surprise bill you can't cover. And reading your declarations page takes 10 minutes. Suddenly, you know exactly what you own. So here's your homework tonight. Pull your declarations page. It's page 1 of your policy or 30 seconds in the app. Check your liability limits, the 3 numbers with the slashes. Then price the bump to $100, $300. Most people are shocked how cheap real protection is. That's the whole machine. A pool, 5 coverages, and limits that cap it all. If insurance finally makes sense, subscribe. Next week, the discounts you're already owed and probably not getting.